The third step is to create the model class, which is a data class that acts as a structure for holding the information for every item of RecyclerView. In our example, we have only one image view and one text view. So the image view is referred as integer and text view referred as string variable. Let's go to the project, create a new Java class, and I'll name it as sport. Click OK. This class will act as a model class. Inside it, I'll define two variables, one of type string called sport name, and the second is of type integer. Alt plus insert to create the constructor having these two variables. Then I need to create the getters and setters. And here we go. The model class is a simple class that defines the structure of the data you want to work with. In this case, we're going to work with sports, and we have two things to display: the image of the sport and the title or the name of the sport. So for that, I defined this data structure for our application. And of course, we created this constructor to create instances of sport class. And when you create a new object of the sport class, we need to pass the values of the sport name and the sport image. And the getters and setters are used to retrieve and set the values of the private fields from outside the class.